Ever wish you could add more time to your clock? I do every single day. Unfortunately, we cannot. We all have to manage the same 24 hours in a day. What we can do is get more out of the time we spend on tasks like email marketing. Email marketing is a necessity and it can take up loads of your precious time, but it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'll show you how to stop the email marketing time suck by using ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign not only makes your business more productive, it also makes it more profitable and powerful. Stay tuned to find out how. Let's go. Hey there, thank you for tuning in. I'm so glad to have you here today, whether it's for the first time or you're coming back for more. Either way, I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule. I'm Carol J. Dunlop, the online wow strategist and 5-time Amazon bestselling author. On this channel, I teach transformation specialists to convert their marketing into money using their wow website to attract the clients that they need to get the lifestyle that they want. Let's head into the lab so I can show you how ActiveCampaign works. Being an online marketer since 2005, I've used many different marketing campaign platforms. ActiveCampaign is the one that I have chosen. I love it. And I'm going to outline for you why I love it so much. Plus, I'll have some testimonials that showcase the good, the bad, and the ugly about ActiveCampaign so you can decide for yourself. I did an in-depth blog about this very subject in a review about ActiveCampaign. I'll put the link in the description below. Let's talk about ActiveCampaign and productivity. I have one word for you: tags. Tags are how you segment your audience into different groups. You can use a tag every time you have an event. Let's say, for instance, you're doing a summit, so you can create a tag of 2022 Summit or whatever you like. And everyone that signs up for that summit gets the summit tag. Maybe you're doing a webinar, do the same thing. Assign them a webinar tag. Or maybe it's just you're selling some type of product. Well, whatever the name of the product is, use that tag to put on the product so that you know where the people came from, what they're buying, what they're ignoring, how they got on your list. It just tells you so many different things. I use tags for just about everything. If I'm going to sell somebody something, I want them to be part of a tag. If I have a summit going out, I want them to be part of a tag. The tag helps you to be more productive in that if you have all these people with different tags and some of them have the same tags, it helps you to segment your audience so you know who you're talking to, what they want you to be talking about to them so that you can send them the stuff that is more valuable to them. That helps you look really big in their eyes. Plus, it means that you won't be sending emails that people aren't interested in. You're only going to send the people what they're interested in, what they found of value. For instance, I have a free website planner. Now, I know that the people who come onto my list through this free website planner are thinking something about their website, right? They want to know maybe how to design it, how to set it up, how to get more clients. All of this stuff is included with the website design. And they also want to know how to market it. Well, that's what this channel, my business, is all about: website design and website marketing and the tools that you can use for both of them. So if I have something kind of crazy that I'm putting out there that's not relevant to website design or website marketing, why would I send it to this list of people who are looking only for website stuff? Now, I could actually explain, hey, this is something unique and different I just wanted you to look at. But for the most part, you're going to use tags so that you can know what people are interested in, what kind of content they want you to send to them, and how you can be a better service to them so they can think that you're the bee's knees and always stay on your list, right? ActiveCampaign and profitability. I have one word for you that makes this all come true, and that is automations. Automations are actually why I got involved with ActiveCampaign in the very first place, because I love the ability to send them multiple emails on the same subject or similar subjects to help them buy something. And all I had to do was set it up one time and forget it. That's really what automations do. They're automatic. So you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, I got to get up at 6 a.m. in the morning and write this email and send it out to my people. You know that's never going to happen, right? So if you can take some time and create the sequence of emails that you would like for people to participate in when they're signing up for your summit, signing up for your webinar, going to buy a product, any of those things, and many more. Your email sequence is just a set of emails that you put into ActiveCampaign and make them run back to back. They go out probably every day, every 2 days, every 3 days, depending on what it is that you're marketing to people. So if you're doing a summit and the first email goes out 2 weeks before the summit comes up, you want to send people something in between there because you don't want them to forget about your summit. You want them to keep it top of mind, but you don't want to bug them. So maybe you'll send out 4 emails in that 2-week period between when you first start marketing the summit and when you finish. The automations can help you because you can set the emails up ahead of time and then schedule them to start going out once the person actually opts in to your summit. And then every day, 24 hours or whatever after that, they're going to send the rest of them. Now, it doesn't matter if someone starts on the 10th day before the summit comes or the 3rd day before the summit comes, because you can control all of that inside of ActiveCampaign with the automations. And you can tell it things like, send this email out on this specific day at this specific time. There are many different ways for you to connect with your audience using automations and keep it so that you're kind of in their head. You know exactly what they want. All right, so how this helps you to be profitable is it keeps you top of the mind at all times when you're getting ready to do something for your audience and show them, hey, I've got this product, I'm selling this book, I'm doing this summit, come and hear me speak. No matter what it is, they've always got you top of mind. So if they always have you top of mind and those automations are going out at specific peak times to help them say, oh, yes, this is the person that I need to be talking to or whatever, then when it comes to them making a buying decision, who are they going to think of first? And who are they going to think of again and again? Because you already have this email marketing automation with these emails that are very valuable, that help them out every step of the way. You're the first person they're going to think about, so you're the first person they're going to purchase with. How ActiveCampaign makes your business more powerful. One word: reports. ActiveCampaign has reports of just about everything. Now, other email providers have that as well, but I love what they do. Not only do they tell you when someone clicks a link, when they open an email, when they go to your website, of course, when they buy something, they also tell where this particular subscriber is in the world, in your city. They tell you what time they opened the email. They tell you what time they clicked. So it's very important for you to know all these things. And it also, one of the things that I really love is the engagement automation that they have and how that feeds into the report. Because the engagement automation will tell you if this person has opened a link or done something in the last 30 days or not. And if they haven't, they're not engaged. If they are engaged. So you want to market and talk to engaged people. So in the report, when it shows you that your subscribers are here, here, and here in the world, and then they clicked on your link, you can say, hey, I know exactly where that person is. What does this do for you? All of this together makes ActiveCampaign a very powerful software and marketing tool, email marketing tool for you, because you get to know more information about your subscribers. Isn't that the name of the game? I want to know more information about you so that I can connect with you better, so that you can feel like, I know you, we're here. That helps your business to be more profitable, more productive, and more powerful. I asked some of my colleagues what they thought about ActiveCampaign, and here's what they said. All right, Kevin Pope says the best part about ActiveCampaign is the simple, logical creation of automations. He's so right about that. It's very easy to create the automations. You just really drag and drop, or you can go into their recipe bin of all kinds of automations and use a template to create yours. He says the worst part is, I quite like it, but the email editor is probably the most frustrating. All right, next up is Eugen Papa. I hope I'm saying that right. Says the email templates are complete trash. I know what he means about that. The email templates are really kind of non-usable. They have too many pictures in them. They're sectioned off too much. They don't really do what you need them to do. So the best thing for you to do with creating your emails and how I do them is I create my emails in Microsoft Word and do everything I need, spell check and all that, and then I copy and then paste them into the email place. But I tell you, it's still sometimes it's still a little crazy because it will make the fonts go small or big, or sometimes the bullets don't work. So hopefully they will correct that stuff in the future. All right, let's move to Alston Balcom. He says, I like the split testing capabilities, but I haven't fully figured that all out. I am with you, Alston. I love the split testing capabilities, and you can do that just about anywhere. You can split test anything there, the automations, the actual campaigns, what have you. But it's one of those things where you just have to do it. But it's great that the capability is there. All right, the next person is Carol. Oh, I love that name, Carol Cassell. I'm going to say that's how you pronounce it. All right, she says, I like the flexibility of the tagging and then using conditions to offer a more personalized email experience. What I dislike the most is the interface to write those emails. It is not as flexible as other systems are, and what you see is not always what you get. She is so right about that. Let's get back to the more personalized experience. Remember, I was telling you about tagging, how you can create a tag for each event or each product you're selling or whatever you're doing so that you can look that up later to see who all is a member of that tag and then really go in on them as to personalizing emails to them. And then there's a spot in there that has conditions, and you can set those conditions to be like time based, like you want to send an email out at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then you want to send out another one at 10 o'clock in the morning. And that time can be your time zone or the person's time zone. You can wait till a specific date. You can also set up conditions that say when this person clicks this, do this. So it's just endless of possibilities that you have with the conditions. And I love that power. Finally, Kyle Schmidt says, I love how powerful the automations are and how flexible it is for targeting the right people at the right time with tags and segments. Kyle, you hit the nail on the head with that because ActiveCampaign, like I said, makes your business more powerful and also more productive because you can set all these tags and segments up and the automations, and you can go about your business while ActiveCampaign helps to make you money, which makes you more profitable. Ready to get started with ActiveCampaign? Click the link in the description below to get your 14-day free trial. Watch this video about Bonjoro next. I explain how Bonjoro helps you to increase your email open rates. Plus, I take you inside of Bonjoro to show you how it all works. That's all I have for you today. Thank you, and join me next time.